Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Adobe XD tutorial how to move artboard. So as example, I will create artboard. You can click this icon and then I will choose iPhone 14 Pro for the example. Now you can create again by clicking like in the right, in the left, in the top, and then you can click in the bottom. Now, after it, if you want to move this artboard, you can use these selection tools and you can select the artboard. You can click, hold, and you can move into another area like in this point. I will click again this artboard. You can move into here, or you can select these two artboard by pressing shift buttons to select multiple, and then you can move into another area. Okay, that's it for basic Adobe XD tutorial, how to move artboard. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.